Also bentonite clay. So guys, this is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay can be used to make a very good face mask. I'm going to be making a face mask today with bentonite clay. This clay heals acne. It will help unclog those pores on the face. It draws out toxins from skin. So this naturally exfoliates your skin. It will soften and brighten your skin. It also reduces appearance of scars and regenerates skin tissues. So for this recipe, I'll be needing 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, so guys, in here I have 1 tablespoonful of salicylic acid, which I already dissolved with rose water. I'm going to be scooping this also in there. So guys, here's my hyaluronic acid. Before I bite my tongue, it's well known for its skin benefits, especially alleviating dry skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and speeding up wound healing. This is very good for adding to your face mask. I'm going to be adding some drops. So I'm going to be adding 5 drops of hyaluronic acid into the mixture. This hyaluronic acid is very thick in consistency, so 5 drops of this will go a very long way. You can actually use this face mask once or twice a week to give you that flawless look on the face. The magic in this face mask is if you use this consistently, it will help clear out those breakage and acne on your face, giving your face a smooth and flawless look. Here I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of parboiled and cooled water into the mixture. So guys, after mixing, this is what you get. This application, this face mask is very good. It absorbs excess oil, and it will help to even your skin. Apply this and leave to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then you rinse it off with warm water.
Purebliss so natural, everything cool and it dey natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural.